Sasageyo, sasageyo. Ano nga? Okay, so we are now in session 7 and we will talk about linear functions. So kung mapapansin nyo, I'm a survey corp. Ayan. So, sa linear functions, di ba, we know that it is in the form of, wala akong salamin, hindi ko makita, pinaninindigan. F of x equals mx plus b, wherein m is the slope of the line and b, so this is the slope, and b is the y-intercept. Okay? But, how are you going to write a linear equation given 2 points. So, paano kapag merong 2 points lang? Tapos, paano natin kukuhanan yung linear function? Linear function. Okay, so let's say we have here, if you are familiar with this anime, alam niyo na kung sino yung mga characters na nakalagay dito sa ating Cartesian plane. So, we have ang crush ng bayan, Levi Ackerman, and we have the very famous Eren Yeager. So, si Eren. Then, ang kapartner ni Levi, si Hanji. And, eto, the brother of Eren, si Zeke. Okay? Na spoiler daw. So the brother of Eren, Zeke, Jaeger, whatever. Ayan. So, let's say, kuhanin muna natin may kwento yan. Si Levi, kailangan niya makapunta kay Zeke. Dun sa hotel daw to ni Zeke eh. So, kailangan niya makapunta doon kay Zeke. Dito, the Beast Titan. Dapat makapunta siya dito kay Beast Titan, kay Zeke. Tapos, pero bago siya makapunta dyan, dapat pupunta muna siya kay Hanji para dalawa silang pupunta kay Eren, saka sila pupunta kay Zeke. Okay. But, ayan. So, kayan muna tayo. Kay Levi going to Hanji. Yan. So, punta muna si Levi kay Hanji. And, the point or the coordinates na kung nasa ang puno si Levi, siya ay nasa -5 yung x, tapos ang y ay -4. Okay? Pupuntahan niya si Hanji na ang coordinates ay, so nandito siya, so this is -2 and this is -3. So since Hanji is on the y-axis, ibig sabihin, ang x-coordinate is automatic 0. And the y-coordinate is -3. Ayan. So, paano natin malalaman yung linear function? Diba ang kailangan lang naman natin ay yung slope at yung y-intercept. Since we already know the y-intercept, how are you going to get the slope of this line? So, ang target natin, diba, ay naka-gear. So, simula dito hanggang dyan. So, yan yung linya para, kasi hindi siya makakagamit ng gear kapag walang puno o kaya walang wall. So, dapat merong puno kung makakapitan. Ayan. We already have the y-intercept. Sabi natin, pag y-intercept, that is the value of y when x is 0. So, meron na tayong y-intercept. And, we know that these 2 points, nandoon sa mismong linya na hinahanap natin. This is the y-intercept. So, -3 is already the y-intercept. Pwede nating isulat that the function that we are looking for, first function that we are looking for is f of x equals mx minus 3. O, bakit naging minus? Di ba plus yun nandoon? Because plus times negative 3 is negative. So, magiging minus 3. Ang problema na lang natin is the slope of the line. Since we have 2 points, we can find the slope by using the formula m is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over the x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, kahit alin dyan ang x sub 2, x sub 1, y sub 2, x sub 1, y sub 1. So, ito na lang yung gamitin natin. This is the first coordinate that I wrote. So, I named it x sub 1. Ito yung pangalawang x coordinate na sinulat ko. So, ang nilagay ko ay x sub 2. So, negative 4 is y sub 1 and this is y sub 2. So, substitute lang natin siya dun sa ating formula. So, y sub 2 is negative 3, y sub 1 is negative 4. So, minus negative 4 over x sub 2 is 0 minus x sub 1 is negative 5. Ayan na, malalaman na natin yung slope ng line. So, this is negative times negative. That will give us a positive answer. So, that's negative 3 plus 4 over 0. So, these are both negative. So, negative times negative 5, meron tayong positive 5. So, 0 plus 5. So, isulat ko na lang din. Ibababa ko lang, baka hindi makita. Then, ayan na. So, m is equal to negative 3 plus 4 is equal to 1 over 0 plus 5. So, that is equal to 5. Therefore, the slope of this line that we are looking for is 1 over 5. And how are we going to write its function? This now will become f of x equals 1 over 5x minus 3. So, ayan na yung ating function. Okay? And meron pang isang technique on how to find the slope. Ang gagawin lang is, let's zoom in. So, i-zoom in ko lang to. Gagawin lang natin is magbibilang. So, from this point, sorry, hindi ko masyadong nakita. So, from Levi, tapos papunta dito kay Hanji. So, ang gagawin lang natin ay magbibilang tayo ng units pataas at units papunta sa kanan para makapunta tayo kay Hanji. So, that's 1 unit above para katapat nito. So, that's 1 unit. Ibig sabihin, ang rise natin ay 1. Tapos, pupunta tayo sa kanan. So, ilang units yon? That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So, ibig sabihin, ang run natin ay 5 units. And, rise is positive. Ang run natin pa kanan. So, it's also positive. Therefore, the slope is positive. Ano nga ba yung other formula for slope? So, that is rise over run. So, that's 1 over 5. Okay? Which is the same with the slope that we got earlier. So, ibig sabihin, yung function na hinahanap natin para si Levi ay makapunta kay Hanji is f of x equals 1 over 5x minus 3. So, yun yung line na kailangan natin. Pag ginraph natin yung f of x equals 1 over 5x minus 3, ganito ang magiging itsura. Magkakonekta yung 2 points. Okay? Next, ang direksyon naman nito ay so, from Hanji, pupunta sila ni Levi kay Erin. So, ang hinahanap natin ay pag ganito. Mula dito, papunta dito. Yan. Kailangan kasi nasa puno sila, baka kainin sila ng mga Titan. Hindi dapat. Si Zeke, kaya yan nasa ibaba. Kaya wala siya dun sa may, taas ng puno. Kasi Titan naman yan si Zeke. Siya nagko-command. Okay, anyway. Ayan. Dito na tayo. Pupunta na tayo kay Erin. We already know that the coordinates of etong kay Hanji ay 0, -3. Tapos, yung pagdating kay Erin, ang coordinates dito ay -3, +3. -3 kasi yung x, ito yun. Tapos, positive yung 3 na y. Okay, so, second is from Hanji going to Erin. So, yun yung kailangan natin. This is 0, -3. Tapos, ito ay -3, +3. Okay? So, same lang. You can use this process. Meron na tayong y-intercept. So, yun na lang yung gamitin natin. This is f of x. So, ito yung f of x. Ito, pangalan na natin siyang g of x. So, g of x is equal to mx. Tapos, ang ating y-intercept is -3. Kaya, -3. Ang kailangan na lang natin is the slope of the line. So, gamitin na lang natin yung counting techniques, yung rise over run. So, from Hanji, magbibilang tayo ng units up pataas kasi nasa taas si Erin, nasa second quadrant. So, akyat tayo. So, from here, akyat tayo. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, nasa 3 na tayo. So, ang rise natin ay 6 over. Tingnan natin yung run. So, that's 1, 2, 3. So, 3 units papunta sa kaliwa. Ibig sabihin yung run natin ay 3. Pero kung papunta siya sa kaliwa, ibig sabihin, yung magiging sign ng run mo ay negative. So let's simplify. Zoom in, zoom out ka lang. Yan. So, yung slope natin, the rise is 6 and the run is -3. And it will give us -2. So, by substitution, the function is now g of x equals -2x minus 3. So, ayan na yung function, though equation din siya, function ng ating line. So, this is the line na papunta kay Erin.